If we go into the harmonized Schedule B in Chapter 98, this is a special classification provision. Now, it is only in the Schedule B because it's unique to export. In the harmonized tariff schedule of the US, chapters 98 and 99 are unique to import. In the Schedule B, chapter 98 is unique to export. And in chapter 98, 9801, export of articles previously imported for repair or alterations, or instruments of international trade, which we are not working with today. If we look at the Schedule B number 9801-10-0000, it is the value of repairs or alterations of previously imported articles repaired or altered prior to the export from the United States. The reporting quantity is X. No reporting quantity. You are only going to report the value of the repair, and you're going to use this specific harmonized number, not the original harmonized number of the product. If you are replacing it, not repairing it, then you're going to show the original harmonized number of the product.